Do you know that a single gram of uranium can produce as much energy as tons of coal? Imagine the possibilities for our nation. This is not just a science, it is the key to India's energy independence. Friends, today, as we stand on the brink of new era, let's take a moment to honor the brilliant mind who brought us Dr. Homi Bhabha, the father of India's nuclear program. Envisioned a self-reliant nation where energy would never be a barrier to progress. Decades later, that vision is coming to life with the nuclear mission to 2025, announced in the Union Cabinet 25-26. But why do we need nuclear power? This reality is stark. India still depends on foreign oil and coal, leading to high costs, pollution and energy shortage. We all have experienced power cuts, villages left in darkness, factories shutting down, students struggling to study. Can we allow this to continue? No. The government has taken a bold and historic step, allocating 20,000 crore for small modular reactors. These reactors are compact, efficient, and can power entire cities without harming the environment. By 2033, India will have at least 5 indigenous SMRs, making a new chapter in clean energy. And this is not just the beginning. By 2047, we are set to achieve 100 gigawatts of nuclear power capacity, ensuring every Indian, every home, every factory and village has uninterrupted clean and affordable electricity. For the first time in 70 years, the nuclear sector is opening to private industry. Just like space sector's revolution under Prime Minister Modi, where ISRO collaboration with startups led to boom in innovation, the nuclear sector will now witness unprecedented growth and job creation. Imagine a future where young Indian entrepreneurs build world-class nuclear technologies. A future where India leads the world in clean energy innovation. This is not just about power, it is about India's future. No more power cuts, lower electricity bills, millions of new jobs, less pollution, a clean environment. This mission aligns with PM Modi's vision of Net Zero 2070. Our COP26 commitment to generate 500 gigawatts of non-fossil fuels by 2030. This is how we will make India as a global leader in sustainable development. India has the raw material, the technology and the determination to lead the world in nuclear energy. This is not just a government initiative, it is a mission for every Indian. So I ask you all, do you want a future where India is energy independent? Do you want to see an India where no village suffer in darkness? Do you want to be part of this nuclear revolution? Then let's stand together and support this nuclear revolution. This is not just electricity, it's about strength, security and sovereignty. The future is nuclear, the future is India. That is Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thank you.